How to interpret Debian server system logs. Imagine your Debian server is like a busy city, constantly generating reports about what's happening behind the scenes. Understanding these reports helps you keep everything running smoothly. When you set up a server with Debian, you need to know how to read these logs. They are stored mainly in the var.log directory. Think of this as the server's filing cabinet, filled with important information about system events, hardware, applications, and security. The first log to check is the var.log syslog. It's like the city's news bulletin, showing messages from the kernel, system services, applications, and hardware drivers. If something goes wrong, you can look here for clues. You can view it in real time with the command tail log syslog. This command shows new entries as they happen, which is great for troubleshooting live issues. Searching for words like error or warning with grep helps find specific problems quickly. Next, there is the var.log kern.log. This log focuses on hardware and kernel events. It records information about drivers, hardware detection, and memory issues. If your server unexpectedly reboots or freezes, this log can reveal hardware errors or driver conflicts. You can open it with a text editor or view recent entries using commands like tail or less. Security events are stored in log auth.log. This log tracks user logins, failed login attempts, and authentication issues. Monitoring it helps you spot unauthorized access or hacking attempts. If you notice multiple failed login attempts, it might be a sign of a security threat. Modern Debian systems often use systemd, which manages logs differently. Instead of plain text files, logs are stored in a binary format called the journal. To access these logs, you use the command journalctl. It allows you to filter logs by time, service, or severity. For example, typing journalctl SSH will show logs related to the SSH service, which is used for remote login. When analyzing logs, pay attention to the severity levels. These include info, warning, error, and critical. Errors and critical messages usually indicate serious problems, while info and warning are less urgent. Logs also include timestamps, process IDs, and message sources, helping you pinpoint exactly when and where issues happen. To interpret Debian logs effectively, start by identifying which log file relates to your problem. Use command line tools like tail, grep, and journalctl to view and filter logs. Look for patterns or repeated error messages. Cross-reference log entries with system events or user reports. Regularly checking logs can help you catch issues early before they become serious. Debian's logging system reflects its focus on stability and control. Unlike some operating systems that hide logs behind graphical interfaces, Debian gives you direct access to detailed logs. This transparency allows administrators to diagnose problems precisely and quickly. Whether you are setting up a server or maintaining one, understanding how to interpret these logs is essential for keeping your Debian system secure and reliable.